guys, welcome back to my channel. I don't like that. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm about to be bleaching a wig, a little wig that I got on Amazon. I forgot what it's called, but I actually got it for the low. So I'm about to see what it's about. It's 24 inches, 13 by 4. Density wise, honestly, I think it's all right. It's all right. It's straight, so I don't know how dense you want it to get, but yeah, density, it's okay for the price that I got it. It was actually on sale for like almost $50. So yeah, so 13 by 4. My lighting is kind of low right now, but I'm gonna fix it up. But yeah, the lace honestly doesn't look too bad. So I'm gonna bleach the knots and then install it and see what it's giving, and then give my like honest opinion about it. So far, to be honest, I would want it to be a little more dense, but I don't buy straight wigs anymore. I usually buy body wave, because body wave tends to have a little more density. Even if it's 180, it will have a little more density and more body to it because it's body wave. So yeah, but it's given, you know, stiff wear. I like how it feels. It's nice and soft and stuff. I've been running my hand through it and it hasn't really been shedding. All wigs shed, okay? All wigs shed. Don't mind my shirt. I got baby throw up, as you can hear in the back, scream her life away. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I'm about to bleach the knots and then we'll see what it's about. I'll show me bleaching the knots and everything. Oh my god. Let me go get her right first. What's up, you guys? So I'm about to start washing and bleaching the wig or whatever. So I'm just about to use my hot comb to push all the baby hairs back and stuff, just so that you don't have like mad flyaways and everything when you're bleaching the wig.
But your love's too original. You were anything but conventional. Baby, did you know that from the moment we fell in and knew we could?
And a quick tip for the beginners: if you're getting a hot comb, I recommend you get a hot comb that goes all the way up to 500 degrees, because that will really get it real hot enough to get everything flat and like laying down. And also, if you're a beginner, I recommend using a wax stick. So like you'll use the wax stick all in the front and then flat comb it, then hot comb everything down.
Cause baby, it's the everything for me. Baby, it's the everything for me. Pretty, but coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you just get me. Yeah, you so pretty. If everything is dipped in gold, then baby it will never grow. Everything sweet ain't sugar cold.
Alright, so at this point now, you're done hot combing all the hairs back. Now you're gonna flip the wig inside out and make sure everything is tucked inside. And once you tuck everything inside, make sure you like use your hand to like flatten the front side of the hair, like where the frontal is, so that none of the bleach gets in the way. So basically it's gonna look like a little pocket or whatever. Just make sure everything is inside. Then you're gonna grab your bleach powder. I'm using the BW2, and then the developer I'm using is gonna be 30 volume. If you're a beginner, I recommend you either use 30 or use 20. I don't like do a direct measurement. I just be dumping shit. But if you want to be precise, then you could measure your shit, but I don't. I just eyeball and just get the consistency I want. Like I said, if you're a beginner, I don't recommend you use 40 developer. Either use 30 or 20 because it lifts the color slower. So yeah, you're just gonna, do your little mixture, and the consistency that you want with it is nothing too runny. I didn't have enough bleach with me to make it like a thick consistency, so I just left it as runny as it is. Like, you're gonna see when I pick up the spoon, like, yeah, it's runny. But if you're a beginner, do not let it be runny, because then it's just gonna seep through your lace, and if it's your first time, then you're gonna fuck it up. But it's not my first time, so I know how to wiggle my way through it. So yeah, the consistency you're gonna want is type thick. Like, when you pick it up and try to drop it off the spoon, it shouldn't fall off the spoon. All right.
In the meantime, it's not going well. Get some me time. I don't know if you know what you want. Might have been a few hours.
Now you're about to take your bleach mixture or whatever, and you're basically just about to paint it on the lace. If you have a dyeing brush, use that. If you have a knife, use that. If you don't have a knife, use the back of a spoon, girl. But anywho, or you could use a wooden stick or whatever. You're just gonna paint the mixture on the lace. You're not gonna use a heavy hand. You're not gonna push it into the lace. You're just gonna take it and scrape it onto the surface of it. Don't push it in or anything. Even if your consistency is thick, don't push it in. Just make sure you get it all over the lace, everywhere. Cover all of the knots.
I will. Tell me what you say now. Tell me what you.
Alright, y'all, so this is what it should look like. I'm just getting all the little scrapes of bleach out of that cup thing, because you don't want to waste it, because you really can't do much with it after. You could like refrigerate it if like you have like another way that you're gonna do in a couple days, but if you don't, just make enough that you just use everything in one take.
You want special till
And you're gonna want to leave the bleach on for about 30 minutes, but make sure you're watching it consistently. What you're gonna want to see is your lace, the knots like turning orange, and the way you're gonna know that the bleach is activating is when it starts to foam up. After you finish bleaching or whatever, you're gonna rinse off the lace with cold water to stop the bleach from activating. And if you have not orange shampoo, if you have blue shampoo or purple shampoo, I recommend you using those shampoos only on the lace, just to get the brassiness, like the orange undertone, out of your lace. Then it will make it look more natural, but I don't have that with me, so I'm just gonna wash my hair with my regular shampoo.
the figure though. All that shit you was spitting so unoriginal. But it was you, so I was with it. Then to tell you the truth, wish we never did it.
Another side note, when it's a new wig, you really don't have to use conditioner. So I only use my shampoo like if it's like a fresh wig or I've worn it like 2 to 3 times. and it's not dry, then I don't really put conditioner on it. You know, the less product the better. This is the part that everybody like be asking me about, how to pluck. Honestly, I didn't make this part very detailed in this video, but once I get my hands on another wig, I'll definitely do a video of a detailed on how to pluck. Basically, I just leave it wet. It's easier to do on wet hair, but I don't really do that in this video. I just work with as wet as it is. So I just start off by plucking the whole front of the hairline all the way through. And basically after I do that, I just part it off, and then I part it like 3 times. So I part it in a thin line. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to like show you. I can't really describe it, but I'm just gonna keep parting, and in between where I'm parting, I'm plucking. That's the best way I can tell you. I think I do it at least once in this video, so you could just keep watching, and then I'll make a detailed video on how to do it.
You would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Lazy and broke. Know we get this money, so I guess I can't complain. But I feel alone even when we're alone. And that don't cause I think, but I don't want you. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately I've been a little fed up, yeah. I wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Yeah. Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Be on them private jets, taking trips. Come back at 6, wake me and your child. And then won't lay today, make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Sweat to change, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one this time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Long say, call your name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain. And I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? Hey, you know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out to life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time.
Cozy.
Alright, so this is what it's looking like so far. This is the side that I plucked. That side is unplugged. So I'm about to just keep going, and the way that I parted it, that you see me part it, I'm just gonna keep doing that all the way till I reach the track. And this was the final result. Bye.